for today, that's day 2 of cabs tax. So if you come here, you're going to go to the top section. You will see that the tax for today is already available. Can you see? So all you need to do is to come here, you come back here, then you see this cap. You're going to tap on it for like 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you go back to day 2. You can see is done. Quick, easy, straightforward. So do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join our Telegram channel. Link in the description of this video.